All right, this is one of my go-to recipes, oatless oatmeal. Very few ingredients, all single ingredient, packed full of yummy nutrients. First thing, put a half a banana, 60 grams, in a bowl with some flax meal. Add 7 tablespoons of egg whites, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a sprinkle of salt, as much as you prefer. Follow it up with a good sprinkle of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla. Next up, the almond milk, 1/4 cup. Add that to it. Mash the mix up with a fork until it's all blended through. Turn on your saucepan to medium-high heat. Give it a little spray so it doesn't stick, and then add your mixture to the pan. Let it sit for a bit and heat up, and then it's going to start to get nice and fluffy. Make sure you stir so you don't have a bunch of egg whites. Stir till it's a nice thick consistency. Takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and then serve it up. I like to do mine with blueberries, Walden Farm syrup, and almond butter. Yum!